Hey guys, Jim Balance at Motorhome Rehab Ranch. And near as I can figure, there are two kinds of people that are coming to see me, and I appreciate both of them. One, every week I try to put out 2 or 3 videos, and people like to just see GMCs and videos and things, and I appreciate that. And the other one is the instruction. All right. Now, this video, for the guys that are doing their headliner and all this kind of stuff, sorry, we're in road trip mode now, and I'm going to be hitting the road here next week. Matter of fact, today is Thursday, and a week from today, I will be in Texas at the GMC International Eclipse rally, Mineola, Texas. And Thursday at 1:30. Kim was so gracious that she got me in the schedule of events. So Thursday at 1:30, you ranch hands, if you're going to be at the rally, be sure to put me in your schedule and we're going to all get together. I'm going to talk a little bit about something that you guys have already been kind of exposed to, but I'm going to talk about chipmunk cheeks and floor sag. Give folks that have not been in our videos some idea of what kind of content we have. And I'm sure that I'll get a lively comments out of that and some questions. And we'll try to record that for you folks that can't go. But that's what we're going to be doing here. I'm hoping, if all works well, Mel is going to fly out. I'm going to fly out, and he's going to take delivery of his motorhome at Don's place. Don's been in the club scene for many years. This coach is pretty nice looking machine here. You can see it looks like he's been well kept. Aluminum rims, got all of it. Let's see. And it looks like we can. Let me talk a little bit about this last Wisconsin road trip. This is coming back on the plane. I landed to 80-degree weather from 25 degrees in snow, and it got worse from there. So thank you. On that trip, not only did we drive the coach, I got some eggs from some chickens. Yep. Picked them out myself, half a dozen of them. It was a blue egg. I thought it looked like Dr. Seuss or something. Met some unbelievable people. This gentleman lives in this trailer that he built. There'll be pictures on the video. Don't worry about trying to see it. Yeah, he lives in this thing in the middle of a 5,000 square foot museum. Beautiful place. I met some really cool people. Yeah, pickers don't even think about it. Nothing's for sale. He's enjoying it, and he should. Wonderful trip there. The Wisconsin trip, why? What was it for? It was to bring this motorhome back so this gentleman right here could walk in it for the first time in something like 25 years. Yeah, let me see if I can give you a better picture of him. Inside the coach, yeah, here we are. Inside the coach, he was reminiscing about things, and it was a wonderful thing. Kit, you did a great thing for your dad, and we had a wonderful time, man. So that was what a road trip is about. Okay. Well, this next road trip, the way it's going to work is we're going to pick up this motorhome, this real nice motorhome. We're going to pick it up at the rally in Mineola, Texas, and we are going to drive it home to Virginia. So now this trip is going to be a little bit different than the other one. I wish I had a picture of it. I was looking for it, but we had a 12-gallon Marine plastic red gas tank in the middle of the floor, and we filled it up every 45 minutes with the 5 gallons of gas from our 4 5-gallon cans. It was okay. We made it, and the other coach was of sufficient quantity that it made it home. I have pictures of it here somewhere. Sorry, I don't have them all in order, but made it home, and they're going to put it back together. And this next coach is going to be, it's already in beautiful shape. It's going to be maintained. The guy that's picking it up has many vintage cars. He's rebuilt a Ferrari. So it's going to go to good hands. So I'm very, very excited to help him understand about his coach driving home. We'll be stopping off at Bessemer, Alabama with Mark. That's halfway. It's about 10 hours from Mineola, Texas to Bessemer, Alabama, and then about another 10 hours from Bessemer on into Virginia where this coach is going to be living. So we're going to do 2 10-hour runs. That's the plan. You can come with us. I'll be doing some videos along the way, of course, and a lot of pictures and stuff like that. This is something that I think new owners need. At least to have me on your phone. Something like that. All right. Well, look. No content. Like I said, this is for the guys that are going to the rallies or interested in seeing a rally, what that's all about. This video and this series of videos will be a road trip. When I get back from the road trip, we'll get back into finishing up the headliner. I've got some cabinet finishing that we're going to be doing, and it's going to be some more fun. But again, we're blocking it out now, and we're on the road, gentlemen. Full tank of gas, a half a pack of cigarettes. It's dark, and we're wearing sunglasses. We're on a mission from God. Come with me. Thanks for being involved. Share with this and Ranch Hands. Hope to see you in Texas. Bye-bye.